Right then, today we're going to change the brake light bulb on a Nissan Note, and it's that simple. All you need is a 10mm socket and a ratchet, two nuts, two bolts, one here and one here, and we'll start from that. Right, so I've taken the two bolts out. Now, secret to this, if this hasn't been open for a long time, you've got to give it a smack up here. Get this dry a bit. Okay, here we go. So here we go. There you go. Alright. So that came out, and you can see there's two clips there in the white. One there and one there. And these are the pins that go in. One there and one there. That's all it is. Okay. And now we're just going to simply twist and turn and pull it out and take the bulb out. There you go. Done. And we reverse the process to put it all back together. Thank you for watching.